Hey, what's going on, YouTube, my family and my friends? Excellent Dreams here, back with another exclusive video for you today. Check this out. This is what we'll be creating today. Now, right now, it's two colors, but it's originally was 8 or 9 colors. So what we're going to do today is we're going to chop this down. We're going to break down the colors, and we're going to cut this out. So I have the design right here. Let's go ahead and let's group. We'll ungroup it. Let's get to grouping these colors together. I'm just selecting all the same color. I'm just grouping it together. That's going to make it easy when I go through here and change the colors and then cut it out. I'm just selecting all the colors. So many colors. All right, almost done.
No,
Yeah,
empty Tupperware in the refrigerator. What you gonna do with it?
and take it home. But for right now,
That refrigerator, that shit's smelling like funky ass.
I know.
Butt back there.
I know, but for right now, that's the best place for them to go. So I take them home later. Like, I mean, having them out, just these don't say.
I was just throwing everything away. I was trying to make sure because I seen the Tupperware.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I'll take it home later. All right, so now we got all of the colors pretty much grouped together. All right. Now, let's bring in the mock-up of that shirt. All right. So let's use that for reference. Let's see what we want to start off with here. All right. Now, really, let's take all of the color stones and let's move them over. Just the stones. Uh-oh. Select all them same color. Group them. Move them over. Move them over. See what we got here. I think that's all stone. Okay. Move that over. Boom. I wanted to do that so that I can move all this color over. Move all this color over there. Color over there. Boom. All right, all right. Oh man. Push that to the back. Nudge that over there. Then ungroup all objects. Ready for it, huh? Let's group this back together. All right. Now let's move that out the way. Yeah. I'm doing a video on it. Move that out the way. Boom. Now we can go in here. Let's start playing with our colors, y'all. So we want a mixture of blue and clear. We're gonna start here with the blue. And then I guess right here we can go clear. Right here, let's go blue. So right here, let's go clear. Right here, let's go blue. Okay. Right here, let's go clear. Ooh. Right here, let's go clear. No, that needs to be blue. Let's go blue. Yeah. Right here, these need to be clear. These need to be clear. Yep. Boom. So they don't need to be clear. And then blue, clear, blue, clear. Blue again right here. Boom. Yep. And it needs clear. All right, all right. That looks good. And then these are clear. Boom. All right. So now let's highlight all of this. We're gonna nudge that back over. Boom. We don't need none of this color here. So this color, we can just move that over. We want to keep this right here, white. want to keep this white. Right. Move that on over. Oh, this part right here. Okay, that's white. Yep. Boom. We don't need any of this color right here up under this. So move that over. Boom. Right here, let's move this over. All of this should be white. So this part in here should be white. Where it's at? Let's grab that. White. Let's go with the white eyes. It's right here. Let's make that blue. Yeah. And this part right here, let's go white. Yeah. Then blue. We don't even need this. Yeah. Boom. There we go. There we go. All right. Move that over there. There we go. There it is. So now what I want to do is I'm going to copy all of this. I'm going to Control G, then Control C. Let's go ahead and mark this up. Let's do a template, vinyl double cut. Vinyl overcut, stone 2 plus cut. I'm right click on that. A thumbs up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. How many boards did it give us? Okay, there go our outline right there. Oh, okay. All right, let's fix this up a little bit. Let's delete that. Let's work on this image right here, y'all. Make sure everything is all together with it because there's a lot going on. So now I want to take all of those same color stones. We're going to combine those together. Take all of those same color stones. We're going to combine those together. Take all of these since they're the same size. We're going to weld those together. And then hold shift. Combine them to these. Weld it together. All right. Now, that's supposed to be white. That's white. All right. That's white. All of these, let's combine those together. Boom. Now, let's final overcut stone 2+ cut. There we go. There we go. Okay, here we go. So we got our, where's our outline at now? We don't have our outline now. Oh, didn't even get the outline of the bird. Let's go back and get it. Here we go. Oh, that's because, okay. Let's nudge this over. Nudge it over again. He's got this stuff here from the shirt. So we got to break this curve apart. Got to nudge. Let's nudge that back over. And we got to fix that. Weld it. Nudge it back over. Now highlight the whole thing again. Now, templates. Vinyl overcut stone 2+ cut. Alright, this should be it, y'all. This should be the one. There we go. Now, whatever's going on right here, I already know I don't need none of that. We need our diamond club. Alright, so we got 2 stone cuts here. Okay, that's cool. They put all the clear stones on one template. Put all the blue stones on another template. So let's go ahead and cut out all these blue stones here. That's 19 inches. About 14 inches. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So we definitely have to chop this down, y'all. So let's go ahead and let's freehand pick. Go in there like so. Oh, I think I still may have big rhinestone flock. Hey, let me see. This rhinestone flock? No. Hold on. I thought I still had some big 20-inch rhinestone flock. No, no, no. All right. So we definitely have to break this up. That's cool. All right, this piece right here is 8.9. Let's move that over here. We're going to go ahead and group that with this diamond club up here. That's one cut. Boom. Let's get rid of whatever that is. All right, that should be one cut right there. One template. Yep, 9.891 by 14551. So what's this? Ooh, close. Hmm. Hmm. All right, let's see. I'm gonna break this up. All right, we can just do the hand separately. All right, there we go. 11-2. Let's see if I turn it just a little bit. Is it gonna go down this number right here to 11-1? Or is it gonna go up? Sometimes you can turn it and get that number to go down a little bit. Let it work its magic. It's taking all day, I know. Taking all day. Oh, it went up to 11-4. So we'll keep it down at 11-2. That's all right for me. So let's undo that. All right, 11-2-9-2. That's good. All right. All right, so that's one template. And actually, looking at it, we can actually get this hand in over here. Let's freehand pick this. Go in there and get the diamond. Boom. We're putting all of this on one board, y'all. Gonna move this over a little bit like this. That way we can just get this hand right on in there. Like so. And how big is this board? 10-1. All right. Let's copy this. So we got our first board, and we got our second board. And we're gonna have to split the other one up as well. So let's just cut out this first one. I already copied it. We'll go in a great cut. And then Control V, let's paste it. All right, it's going to cut out just like that, y'all. 10.146. Save those settings, and then let's output it. Now it's ready. It's about to cut. Means it's going to get loud in here. I'll come back when I'm cutting out the second part, and then we'll put it all together.